This is Jeremy Drevenstedt with Demco Products. In this video we will be covering how to swap out the tow bar ends on your Demco tow bar. Your Demco tow bar comes standard with our classic bar ends. The tabless bar ends will come with your base plate and will need to be swapped out. You can find the directions on how to do this in the back of the instructions for the base plate installation. So let's start by removing the classic bar ends by simply loosening and removing the bolt and nut. Next, you will need to locate the hardware required to make the swap. You will need to refer to the instructions to see which hardware you will need according to what tow bar you have. In this video, we are using the Dominator tow bar. The procedures are the same for the Excalibar 3, however the hardware will be different. For the Dominator, you will use 2 half-inch bolts, 4 half-inch wide poly washers, and 2 half-inch lock nuts. If you have the Excalibar 3, you will be using the 2 half-inch bolts with the 4 half-inch narrow poly rim washers, as well as the 2 half-inch lock nuts. If you have the Commander 2 tow bar, it has some different procedures on how to make the swap. So we will be covering how to do that along with some tips in a different video. The easiest way to get the bar end on is to take the bar end and push the bolt in enough to place the poly washer on the end of the bolt. Then slide it over the tow bar shaft and line up the hole and push the bolt in, but not all the way through. You're going to want to leave the space open to insert the other poly washer. Once lined up, push the bolt through the rest of the way and screw on the nut. Now you want to tighten it down tight, but loose enough to where you can still rotate the clevis on the tow bar shaft.